the guppy you gave me. So I threw it in my tank. We got 8 in. Oh, he got out.
Oh my goodness, he got out.
Oh, he got out.
Regurgitate. Oh, the Oscars after that. Oh, gobble, gobble.
Oh, shit.
Oh. He's getting away with that.
Oh.
Oh, he's better than half, no, he just.
Damn.
I swear if I win again, dude.
Oscar got the whole fish.
Oh, I can't believe the
Bass got it?
bass took him out.
Look at that. The Oscar's working on digesting them, bro. Just so you know, he's about a little bit smaller than that guy.
Holy moly.
Look at that. Damn, that was a nice fight with the Oscar and
That's
bass.
funny. I wonder if he can get out again.
Honestly,
Is he gonna get out?
I hope.
Was he wiggling that
Look,
bass around? Is that why he did that? Ooh, he went down. Is that why the bass was wiggling all around? Because he was wiggling?
I was doing it to you guys, but I was actually like following someone. They went in the bus.
Damn.
And I went
The bass is all,
in
oh.
there, and I was like, okay.
The bass is like, I just had the biggest fight of my life.
Look at the Oscars. Look at the Oscars. Like,
Should I get out of his mouth?
No.
I don't want him. I gotta show you about him eating a praying mantis.
Holy crap nuts. That really in his mouth?
Should I get out?
No. Don't do that shit.
I think I should, Mom.
No, Andrew.
I'm gonna.
No, Andrew.
Don't freaking touch me. I'm gonna. Alright, here goes nothing.
Don't you touch him. You leave him eat. You let him eat.
He's eating too much. He already ate a full praying mantis. I'm gonna get him, Mom. I don't care. I seriously don't care. He's not gonna be able to eat him.
That's rude.
It's fucking. What's rude is how he stole it from the back. That's rude.
No, he lost it. He spit it out.
No, the Oscar ripped out of his mouth. I think I got on video. But Javon, I'm gonna try getting it out. Hold that.
No, don't mess with him. He's already dead. Don't mess with him.
Jesus.
Look at
Boom. Chomping that sucker down.
Now he's gonna go. Yeah, good.
He ate it.
Thanksgiving dinner.
Done.
Woo! Wow.
Hey,
That big fish.